All right, hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. So what do we got? We have a lot of daily charts right now that are yellow, which means stay away. But we're looking on 30-minute charts to see if we can get some momentum either higher or lower. So what are some examples of that? Well, if we look at the NASDAQ futures, we definitely have yellow, but when we drill down to the 30-minute, we are seeing consistent momentum and conviction to the downside as it relates to distribution. Okay, this is a, when you get these rallies with no momentum and no conviction in this type of environment, you end up in the puke zone. And the other one to look at here, and this has been very, very telling, and it's been moving first, is the yen. When you see action, you see momentum and conviction to the upside in the yen, it translates into stocks. Now today, it didn't translate in the S&Ps. The S&Ps stayed quiet, but it did translate into the NASDAQ. And we saw, oh, if I can type in that symbol, that'd be great. We saw a lot of momentum and conviction coming into key stocks like Apple, Amazon. All right, you can see that toward the end of the day. And even one of my favorites, NVIDIA. So that broke, and you're just seeing this constant distribution coming in there. Where's the money flowing into? It's going into biotech. And so we've had some awesome momentum there going into the biotech field. The only other ones I've seen here, of course, there's some hurricane stocks and things like that, and like that too. But it's just pharmacies, healthcare, and biotech. All the money is going into there right now. And then on the downside, financials are having a tough time. You can see that we got momentum and conviction to the downside here on the 30-minute chart. If this does translate into the daily chart, and we do start taking out some of these support levels, that's going to tick over the rest of the markets as well. Okay. All right, so we do have a couple of free tools that we are going to be giving away here, and this is, if you're familiar with Tastyworks, it's the new platform being listed there up in Chicago. What we're going to be doing is that if you don't have this platform, first of all, it's free, and it's probably 5 times cheaper commissions than anything else that you have. What I've been doing is a lot of my analytics on Thinkorswim, but moving my funds over to Tastyworks so I can cut my commission cost down by like 80%, which is fantastic. So if you go to simplertrading.com/platform, we've got where we're going to be giving away about $500 worth of very cool trading tools for everyone that opens up a Tastyworks account with this specific link and funds it with at least $2,000. And once you do that, just send us a little note, and we will send you all this stuff. So if you go to the simplertrading.com/platform, this will take you through a process. It kind of explains it. It's like 3 or 4 pages. Then you go through and do the form and all that kind of stuff too. So again, there's no out-of-pocket to you. The $2,000, of course, is your money. You're just transferring it to a different broker, and you can start trading it. And then once that's set up and ready to go, we've got some cool stuff that we want to send you. Okay? So that's what I got. You guys have a fantastic weekend. This offer, I think, is going to be good for about 48 hours. So if you're interested in that, it's awesome to take a look at. If you aren't familiar with the platform, it's very, very intuitive. It's one that I've been using here more and more, and you'll see me using it more in the room. You can see the positions and things I have on there. For trading, what I love about this is it's super easy to put together some of the more complex stuff. Like if you're gonna say, oh yeah, I want to short a vertical and do all that kind of stuff, it's fairly intuitive, and so you can just move stuff around, and these legs it's just so much easier, and you'll love it. So anyway, that's what we got. It's going to be a lot of fun. You guys are going to really like the stuff. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.